Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be telling y'all the best oils for making handmade body butters. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and let's get started. Number one is palm oil. This oil is amazing because it has anti-aging properties and will leave your skin extremely moisturized, softer, and will give your skin a supple look, so it will just look very plump. I really like this one specifically in body butters because it is a solid oil, which makes it really ideal for body butters and for solid body oils. But yes, this is definitely one of my top oils to use when it comes to making body butters, and you can get this anywhere. I got this one on Etsy. The second oil is kukui nut oil, which is definitely one of my favorite oils. This has more of a dry oil consistency rather than a wet oil consistency, so this will not leave you greasy at all. And of course, for skin benefits, it moisturizes, protects, and heals the skin. Definitely look more into this oil. It is amazing for body butters, one of my top oils. The third oil is rice bran oil. This oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which is ideal for anti-aging, but also it lightens dark spots, age spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. So that's why I think this is extremely ideal for body butters, because when you use a body butter, it's to moisturize your skin and get rid of a lot of blemishes on your skin. So I think this is amazing for body butters. It is also extremely affordable and very moisturizing. The next oil is jojoba oil, but instead of thinking of this as like a regular oil, think of this as more of a treatment for the skin. This is really good for acne, wrinkles, fine lines. It's also known for treating really common skin conditions like acne, KP, and dry skin, which makes it ideal for body butters. The next oil is sunflower oil, and this oil is amazing. It is more of a wet oil, so it will leave you kind of greasy if you don't mix it in with anything, but it prevents skin dehydration due to the antioxidant properties. It also makes your skin feel extremely softer and smoother after like one use, and it also protects a natural moisture barrier, which is why it is very ideal for body butters, because people are going to be wearing these all day every day, so it's good for them to have like an extra coating to protect their skin. Next is apricot oil. I really like this one personally because it is more of a dry oil and doesn't leave you greasy. Apricot oil really gives your skin a nice radiance / glow, so this is super ideal for like summer and spring body butters. It also soothes, repair, and strengthens your skin barrier, and it makes your skin just overall glowy and hydrated without you feeling greasy, because I know a lot of people do not like that, so this will be a nice option to have for your customers. Next is grapeseed oil, and this oil once again has a bunch of skin healing properties. It moisturizes your skin, reduces the appearance of scars, it also lightens skin, and it just kind of adds moisture to like dull and dehydrated skin, and it also just evens out your skin tone. And once again, this is very affordable, so I highly recommend grapeseed oil. Next is castor oil, which has a thicker consistency than the other oils, so it has a bit of different benefits, but this is amazing for soothing sunburns, and it also locks and maintains moisture in the skin, and also this oil will keep the fragrance of the body butters on the skin longer. Next oil is sweet almond oil, which has a bunch of benefits, but because it is very high in vitamins and minerals and fatty acids and antioxidants, it's good for wrinkles and improving the elasticity on your skin. This will reduce the appearance of stretch marks and wrinkles, fine lines, or scars that you may have on your skin. Last but not least is coconut oil. You can use liquid or solid coconut oil, but this is a top tier hydrator. This is probably the #1 oil that I can recommend when it comes to making body butters. It's overall amazing for the health and appearance of your skin. It also keeps bacteria off of your skin, which is amazing to have in a body butter. So yes, this is the last oil. Thank you so much. If you made it to the end of this video, check out my website, Thebeautypackage, on all social medias. And thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also give this video a thumbs up and comment what oil did you not expect to be in this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.